Well, I'm being pulled to the repair shop. I'm not sure why, but this car rides like a horse. It feels like we're galloping. Maybe that's leaf spring life, I don't know. Maybe you can hear it in the video. It sounds like we're galloping.
No, better not. Man, that thing's quiet.
Dude, I knew that the last time I poured it in was here for upgrades. Next time we come here, bro.
Well, yeah, it is broke.
Used to run good with them old turbos.
Yeah, but it's slow.
Yeah, I didn't do wheelies either.
No, that was cool. The new turbos made it do wheelies.
Yeah, definitely worth the motor.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
One wheelie for a motor.
Well,
easy. That's like a no-brainer.
okay.
That's all it costs.
Wouldn't it be cool though if we didn't have to lose a motor every time we wheelied?
Yeah. Can't have your cake and eat it too, though.
No, we can't.
Don't look like that, though.
No? We don't think it was actually the wheelie that blew the car up. We're just being funny. The internet really takes things seriously when you say things like that. So, but it did drop a valve because a rocker arm broke. So we're gonna tear it apart again.
All that's wrong with it, though, is just it dropped a valve.
But that's all.
Yeah. Nothing else.
Nothing else.
Mm-mm.
There's not any other hurt parts in that engine.
Nope.
Still had oil pressure.
Yes, it did. It still ran.
Well, you drove it into the garage, so.
Yeah. Drove it home.
Yeah.
I'll start it up right now.
Maybe let's wait till after we tear it apart.
Okay. Well, it won't start.
Well, we put it back together.
Oh, okay.
Okay, we'll get started on this.
You want to stabilize this in case it...
Stabilize what?
Just come over here and... I don't know.
Go ahead, brother. Get out of the way.
Yeah, just move it.
You have been the one pushing it.
Yeah. Always me.
It's always my fault.
Always my fault. I bet it's jumping the fluid out the back now. What's that?
Whoa. Oh no.
What?
It's peeing again.
It's a penis. Jonathan watches these videos and says that transmission just kind of fell a little bit. He's gonna blame everything on that.
Oh, second year guy, this thing looks like it's been dropped before.
Looks like the shims fell out of it. Took a blunt impact to the ground. Or sent it to that bell housing on. Just make you mad. They say don't send them to them with the bell housing on.
Or the shifters.
Yeah. We always send it with a shifter.
Why, yeah. At one time we sent it with a broke shifter.
It'll get dust in it if you don't put the shifter on it.
I don't think they're too concerned about dust at this point.
Rocks.
There's rocks of metal in there right now.
I know, but you get a granite rock in there?
I ain't never seen somebody that can destroy an engine and a transmission at the same race.
I tell you what, it is easy to do.
Normally somebody will hurt a transmission, you know, motor will be fine. Or somebody will hurt a motor and the transmission's fine.
Yeah.
You know. You.
Well, when you're working with something as weak as water and something as weak as water, they're both weak.
Excuse me.
I need something that ain't gonna break.
I thought that's what we built you.
If I slam it in reverse, it ought to take it.
At 80 mile an hour?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll put that.
I done that in a C5 one time and it took it fine. Look at that. Are you kidding me? You are rougher than a cow.
You are, Bob.
Jeez. Pour that on your head.
Got the clutch off?
Yes, sir.
How's that black magic look?
That's the only thing that's held up. Thanks, Black Magic.
You got some grease on your head.
Do I?
Yeah. Looks like it dripped on you.
You've been working, son.
Hey, you got half of it. That worked. Yeah, that clutch did good.
See there?
We finally got it figured out.
Sweet.
All right, we got it out on the engine stand after we made a really big mess. Why'd you make a mess in my garage?
It's just how it goes.
So this, can anybody spot the difference? It's supposed to look like this, and it looks like this.
Show them in here.
Not good. Oh yeah. This is what an intake valve's supposed to look like. This is what this one looks like.
Busted.
You got a lot? Oh, that's pointed the wrong direction.
Yeah. Did a cartwheel in there.
And it completely pushed the valve guide. You can see the valve down in there. Completely pushed the valve guide out of the head. And Steven's really good at hurting stuff.
That's all it did, though.
You sure?
Yes.
We did hear a really funny noise on the driver's side.
It was just echoing from this side to the other side.
I hope you're right. Let's see if we find anything. no problems.
Like that guy jumping off a building.
So good so far.
No, so far so good. As
So
he
good
passed,
so far.
as he passed the levels,
Yeah.
people could hear him saying, "So far so good."
Yeah. Hey, if anybody wants a good set of rocker arms, these will be for sale here in just a minute.
They're real good. Up until
Up until they what?
he started. It's probably all cracked when I bought them from you. You always sell me junk.
I think it lasted for like a year.
A race and a half.
A year?
Not a year. We put them on and put these heads on. So that would be in Bristol.
So, Bristol, Charlotte, Atlanta, Florida, Maryland, St. Louis. Yes.
People get years and years and years
Out of rocker
out of
arms?
rock arms.
I thought they was like brake pads.
No. They're not consumable.
You sure proved them wrong. Because you consumed that one.
Yee-hoo!
Look how clean this thing is.
We can use that piston.
Let's see the bottom side. Ugh.
That ain't even that bad either.
Oh.
Uh-oh. Oh, you always do that to me.
I think we dropped a bolt.
You ask to see the bottom side, and I always pour the oil on there. That ain't that bad.
That's pretty bad.
No,
I mean, look,
do you remember what?
It's cracked clean into that, and look, that exhaust valve is pushed over and into the side. Wow.
Dude.
This is okay, so it wasn't that bad.
Oh, yeah.
Not yet. What's that? That's being pessimistic.
I said I was going to expect the worst.
No, you said you were going to expect the best and be upset about the worst.
I don't remember.
Okay, here's what we got. So it hit the piston, the valve hit the piston, which we expected, but the piston's not broke. I mean, we're not going to reuse the piston, but here, get some of this oil out of here. That thing is not that bad, and the rest of this engine is stinking clean. Who tunes this thing for you?
Oh, the best tuner in the world.
Is that right?
Yes.
Can I get his number?
No. He
No?
don't tune anything, really.
No. He just hits the up button a whole bunch.
Yeah.
Looks like he's doing all right. This thing's living a cleaner life than you are.
Yeah, that's true.
Okay. That's a common piston. I bet Wiseco probably has them on the shelf. Or no, them are diamond. Are those diamond pistons?
Yes.
I think they're diamond. I bet Diamond has those on the shelf. This thing will be backing up and running by
The Christmas parade.
the Christmas parade. When is
We
that?
gotta make the Christmas parade.
I don't know if that'll happen, but we'll try it. All right, let's get this other head off. Are we okay?
I think we're okay.
Let's see the bottom side of it.
Okay.
Oh, look at this.
Oh, little groundhog in there.
That's all right.
Yeah. Sweet.
All right, let's turn it over.
How can you tell if it's been a rod after it get that?
Got the mic off all the distance.
Okay. Did we just come out? Smell like a rose?
That's what it looks like. Maybe you're right about that echo thing. I don't know how that worked, but when we cranked this thing up in Maryland after it dropped the valve, but before we found out that it dropped the valve, the sound that was coming out of the driver's side exhaust was, I don't know, it just didn't sound great, but it was kind of a sound that I don't know if I've ever heard before.
It was running.
Yeah, it was running just fine. Well, other than the,
Yeah, it was like that side was completely quiet. It wasn't even
yeah,
making no noise, and then this side over here was going to dum 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 dum.
yeah. Well, initially when we were at Maryland, we were checking to make sure we had fire on all the coil packs, because this side just sounded like it was dead, and it wasn't making any noise. But then we found the valve was dropped, but that side was just out of the exhaust. It sounded, I don't know, it just sounded funny. So I kind of had a suspicion that maybe a rod was broke or a piston was broke or something. But everything seems to be all right. So there's the broke valve. That's unfortunate, and it messed up the seat pretty bad. Like I said, it pushed the valve guide completely out of the head. It's gone. And looks like it probably bent that exhaust valve too, because it pushed this over so far. But all in all, the motor seems all right. We're gonna do some studying on this piston. It I mean, it definitely got hit, and there's a little bit of a indentation there, but I don't know if that
Probably
piston.
just send it and call it LS junk.
We're just gonna send it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Save it.
You heard it here, folks. We're just gonna send it and save $1. Slap the heads back on it. Hey, I got a set of heads off mine you can use.
Good deal. We
No,
make the
I'm just
Christmas
kidding.
parade.
I'm just kidding. No, you'd drop a valve in them, and there we'd both be. All right. Well, hey, we got T-shirts.
We do have T-shirts.
We got T-shirts, guys. Well, we don't have them yet. My T-shirt guy said they'll be here in about 2 weeks, maybe 3 weeks. So I know a lot of you guys have already reached out to us and said you wanted a T-shirt. I think we ordered enough for this first run, but I have people sending me a message every day saying they want one. So we'll see. If we run out of them, we'll just order another batch. But if you want one and you haven't let me know yet, then just comment below and I'll send you my PayPal information, and we'll
You're gonna throw it up right here.
throw what up?
The picture of the T-shirt.
Oh yeah, here's what the T-shirts look like.
Wow.
Nice.
Yeah.
That's a pretty cool wheelie.
Thanks.
Yeah.
You talking about mine?
No, mine.
Oh.
Yeah. Okay. So we'll keep you guys updated on this and this pile of junk. We'll see you next time.